Hi there.
Oh. Today we're going to show you 30 interesting randomly
Things in the room.
things in my room.
Right. We have a bar pit.
It's noisy.
We have a robotic bat. You build it yourself.
It's pretty cool.
So,
Pretty cool.
uh,
And it flies. It flies. It's so cool.
look at the wings.
Flies with wings.
A hippie van money van.
My head could fly if it had wings.
It would actually, because it's pretty light. A box of interesting stones.
Guess the stone.
Oh,
Flying stones. Interesting flying stones. They borrowed the bat's wings.
Greek airport suites. They're quite young actually. What else? One-eyed cat. Now that is pretty scary. It has one eye. That's spooky. Show the sheep! He is officially my new best friend. A mint box from Holland.
But all the mints
Look.
are gone.
It's all Hollandish.
All the mints are gone.
So it's fun.
All the mints
Just
are gone.
because you ate them all.
They're all gone.
Nah.
All gone.
This.
Oh, it smells
Cubey.
nice. It smells nice. It smells nice. That's not cube.
Well, it's cubey.
It's not cubey. It's got lots of sides, not four. No, wait. Cubes don't have four sides either. That's a square.
What else? Rubber band ball. It
It's
is
bouncy.
cool. And it's pretty light. Right. What else? What else do we have?
I'm not sure. Let's find something.
What is this?
Upside. I don't know. Do you know what it is?
Leave a comment if you think you know what that is, because we don't.
Wonder if that could fly with bat wings.
This is lotion stolen from a hotel.
Has anybody been to Gleneagles? Gleneagles is great. They have good body lotion.
And that's why you stole it. Police are going to be at your door in 5 minutes.
Oh yeah.
A wooden penguin that has been sewn very badly.
Badly.
Yes.
You think my sewing skills are bad?
I love you really.
Oh.
I just don't like your sewing. Music for Doctor Who theme tune.
Everybody
there?
loves Doctor Who.
Doctor Who.
Everybody
Pretty cool.
loves Doctor Who. Oh.
Some toilet wipes for if you're in a public toilet.
I had to use them on a bus one time.
On a bus.
The toilet was smelly.
Since when was there toilets on a bus?
Since the day that they invented toilet buses.
I have never been on a bus and there's been a toilet.
Well, I was on a bus and I had to drive down to Hull in a bus that had a toilet, right? And if you needed to go to the toilet, you had to take a jumper in because it had a window but not a curtain. So all these people
Well, that's
driving
pretty
past,
stupid.
All the people driving past had to kind of like avert their eyes when they kind of like looked up and saw someone doing the toilet.
Well, that is pretty stupid.
I didn't invent toilet buses.
Sure you didn't. Right.
Let's all just say thanks to the person who invented toilet wipes. Invited.
Oh my god, right.
Invited. Invited.
Invented.
Invited.
What about these little dudettes?
Oh, they. Ta-da!
She had a baby. And then the baby has a baby.
What kind of an
And
accent
then the
was
baby has a baby.
baby has a baby. Oh.
I'm great at accents.
No.
Both that.
You're as good at accents as I am at sewing.
That is just harsh.
Well, I'm sorry for being harsh, but you're harsher than me. It's a harsher word. Harsh.
A hand
Nor.
for your phone. Let's get
Nor.
a phone.
Nor.
I think we might have over 30 things.
Nor.
You're a freak.
Nor.
Tis pretty.
It needs to get some bat wings so that it can fly.
Tis okay, dudes. Right. What else?
I don't think I have anything else interesting. I'm not a very
Oh, we
interesting
do.
person.
Some Ratatouille Kleenex.
Oh yeah.
They're pretty cool.
I need
What
a cushion.
other questions we got?
I need a cushion. Can I have a cushion? Whoa, cushion.
What else? Some goggles.
Cushion.
These are pretty cool. They don't really go well with sunglasses.
No.
I just look like a fly.
Hi. This video is getting pretty long.
Ah, well. They'll watch it.
They better watch it.
Right. You can blame Evie for the state of this.
My sewing skills are just as bad as my sewings.
How creepy is that? That is creepy. That's my nightmare sorted out for a year.
I've been having nightmares ever since I finished it.
Look it in the eye and tell it you love it.
I love you.
What is that?
A wand. It's a fairy.
Ugliest fairy I've
Abracadabra.
ever seen in my life. Right.
Do you like sexy? Sexy. My true love.
We have a doorstop, which is pretty heavy.
Think I could drop it on the camera?
No.
Woohoo! Woo!
Oh, I wouldn't do that. What about some Greek cards?
From Skiathos.
I've never heard of
Have you
that in
ever
my
been
life.
to Skiathos? If you have been to Skiathos, then leave me a comment. In fact, leave Jade a comment. Leave Jade a comment and tell her how much you loved it.
Greek cards.
Pick a card, any card. Woo!
Woohoo, did you have that card?
Or it could be a fan.
No.
Let's put it up a bit. Just there. You can't see
Check
my
out
face.
Evie's mirror.
My mirror is so beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh look, laptop.
Beautiful.
It has a freaky fairy on top.
Everything has freaky fairies.
That's just because you like freaky fairies.
I
Evie, look
am
how
a freaky
beautiful
fairy.
you are.
I'm a freaky fairy.
Right. What about Evie's school timetable, which is pretty much the same to mine.
But I don't know what.
Oh.
Oh.
She's concentrating, folks. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see. What are you even looking at? Alright.
I give up on timetables. I never have learned a timetable. Never ever learned.
Have you ever seen a bright green hanger?
Everybody has bright green hangers.
I don't. I have plain ones
Leave
from
a
like...
comment if you have a bright green hanger.
I have plain New Look ones. It's a crap in my wardrobe, is it?
I have plain green ones and one green one.